Hey viewers, we're going to open Freecad. We're going to start an empty file. So we're going to make a thread today, in like a nut, something like that. We'll just choose something simple. So I'm clicking on Sketch here. You see where the mouse is. And when we click on Sketch, we've got to open a new sketch plane, so XY. Click on that. I'm going to choose like a hexagon sort of shape. Just click that. To start from the center, origin. And it's going to be pretty random. I'll just get that level, click out that, escape that, that will do for now. We'll get a circle. I'm not really going for any particular measurements, and this one will just roughly make 6 though, 6 mils. So I'll click escape out of that. We got 2 degrees of freedom here, so it's going to work out what they are real quick. So I may even fast forward from here, this part of the video. Okay, so here we've fully constrained it. Let's just press escape again. We'll close that. We'll do pad, which is pad is what gives it that lifts it up, makes it 3D. So we'll pad that. Can make it 5. Click OK. So that's 5 mils thickness. Okay, so this is the fun part. So we'll click the hole here. We'll click on the hole tool. Here we'll get a selection of stuff here. Up the top here, we're going to just randomly metric regular profile. I'm going to say M6 for thread. You can't see nothing in the middle here yet, so we click thread. Then we click on model thread. Still can't see nothing yet, so we have to update this view. So we click update, and there we go. There's our thread on our nut. So of course, if you're doing this for yourself, you'll get the measurements right, and you will make sure it's all good before you save it, print it, clean up the edges, whatever you want to do. Done. Thanks for watching.